Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking you to Hollywood Studios to ride one of the best rides ever created by Disney and Disney companies. And this is actually Star Wars Rise of Resistance. It is so well done that I think that if Disney continues to create rides like this, it wouldn't have to worry about Universal Studios. But that's if they do. So sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, let's go.
Prisoners are secure. Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Quick though, let's go, all the way out.
Front, ready, to the back. Silver and orange to the right side. Silver to the front, orange to the back. Get back to box two. Good luck, and may the force be with you.
Especially those on your head. Take them off.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, to go to the prison. Liberation is touching block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Wow! Last seen on level D. Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are full of us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad. The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
aiming a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford pocket.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck, you're alive.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.